guys! Hallo Leute! Welcome back again to my video. Here is Ophelia again. So today our topic is about the mostly usable words, verbs, vocabulary in German. Or we can say in Deutsch or in German, die häufigsten Verben, vocabulary in German. So I have some list here, vocabulary or verbs or verben. So I speak first in German words or German verben, and then I translate into English words. All right. So let's start. Sein, to be. Haben, to have. Werden, to become or to get. Können, to be able to or kann. Müssen, to have to or to must. Sagen, to say. Machen, to do or to make. Geben, to give. Kommen, to come. Sollen, should, or you can say ought to. And then wollen, to want to. And then gehen, to go. Wissen, to know. Sehen, to see. Lassen, to let or to allow. Stehen, to stand. Finden, to find. Bleiben, to stay or to remain. Liegen, to lie. Heißen, to be called. Denken, to think. Nehmen, to take. Tun, to do. Dürfen, to be allowed or to may. Glauben, to believe. Halten, to stop or to hold. All right. The next is nennen, Name or to call. Mögen, to like. Zeigen, to show. Führen, to lead. Sprechen, to speak. Bringen, to bring or you can say to take. Leben, to live. Fahren, to drive or to ride. Meinen, to think, have an opinion. Fragen, to ask. Kennen, to know. Gelten, to be valid. Stillen, to place or to sit. Spielen, to play. Arbeiten, to work. Brauchen, to need. Folgen, to follow. Lernen, to learn. Bestehen, to exist or insist or to pass an exam. Verstehen, to understand. Sitzen, to sit or to place or you can say to put. Bekommen, to get or you can say to received. Beginnen, to begin. Erzählen, to tell. Versuchen, to try or you can say to attempt. Schreiben, to write. Laufen, to walk. Erklären, to explain. Ansprechen, to correspond. Sitzen, to sit. Ziehen, to pull or to move. Scheinen, to shine or to appear. Fallen, to fall. Gehören, to belong. Entstehen, to originate, or you can say to develop. Erhalten, to receive. Treffen, to meet. Suchen, to search or to look for. Liegen, to lay or to put. Vorstellen, to introduce or to imagine. Handeln, to deal or you can say to trade. Erreichen, to reach or you can say to achieve. Tragen, to carry or you can say to wear. Schaffen, to manage or you can say to create. Lesen, to read. Verlieren, to lose. Darstellen, to depict or you can say to portray. Erkennen, to recognize or to admit. Entwickeln, to develop. Reden, to talk. Aussehen, to appear or to look. Vergleichen, to compare. Fehlen, to lack or to missing or you can say be absent or to be absent. Fühlen, to feel. Wohnen, to live. Erwarten, to expect. Warten, to wait. Helfen, to help. Anfangen, to start or to begin. Bilden, to form or you can say to educate. So that's all for this video.